Oh, hi there. Well, so I have a little time off from work. Um, I not really sure what to do with myself, so took out the trains and I cleared a spot in the garage. And so far, that's the only spot that I have to set it up. I gotta get a house. I mean, walls are closing in. Too much shit. Ooh, sorry. Pardon my French. Anyways, so I figured set up the trains so I can stay a little busy and maybe make the kids happy. So here we go. Come along with me. Well, this is the space I'm working with. Pretty tight. I got too much stuff going on, but right here, this is the biggest spot in the house that's free, so I guess I'll do it in here. The trains, that is. And yeah, I got too many hobbies. I don't know what I'm doing with myself. ADHD is kicking in. I'd probably be driving this, but right now it's December. Actually, sorry, my bad. January. And it's cold. It's actually snowing right now. So I can't really do anything with that. So I guess it's train time. Anyways, should be pretty fun. Over here, we got the bins of trains. Seriously, that isn't all of it. I built the bed, and it's tall enough to store a lot of stuff under it. But this right here is most of the track, minus the ready to run stuff. By the way, we're working with Fast Track, Lionel, O gauge. I think the minimum turns that I have here are 31s, and they go up there. I'm not really sure on the specifics of it, but you got an idea. And then under there's not track, but that's cars, some random cars and stuff. And I think there's an old set in there. Most of my stuff has the Lion Chief, like the Bluetooth apps and stuff. We'll get more into that later. But as of right now, I think I'll start laying some track. I don't know what I'm doing here, but I'm gonna do it. Hang tight. Okay, so now we got our track set up. It's not basic, but it has a few switches. So anyways, here I'll show you. So yeah, I mean, should be fun for a little bit, huh? I got a little bit of track left over. Well, I shouldn't say a little bit. Had to go find another box for some curves, but yeah. The switches I got on there are 036 left and right hand ones, and yeah, I think the curves are 36, 036. Yeah, 036. So here's a half curve. But yeah. So now it's off to find power source. Okay, here we go. All right, now the train that we're running is a Lionel. Okay, I'm reading it off the box. Burlington North Lion Chief RS3, number 4068. All right, it's got remote control. You can also use the app. Rail sounds, minimum curve, 027. All right, now let's see how this looks. All right, this is my son's train here. Can you guess what his favorite color is? You got it, it's blue. No, I'm just kidding, it's green. Anyways, it's diesel, pretty basic, no smoke features. Got a few cars on there. Well, let's see how she goes around the track, huh?
This is the operator. Please hold at your location. Copy. We're
Jeez, I hope we don't have to hold too long. See if we can get going again.
This is the operator. You're clear to proceed. Roger, we're good to go.
All right, here we go. We're good to go. Seems to be going pretty smooth. It's been in storage for a little bit, but looks good. I'm interested to see my son's reaction. He did get another Lionel train for Christmas. We'll see if he wants it on the track as well. Well, we'll see how his reaction is, if he likes it or not, and I don't know. Hope he has a lot of fun with it, so until he gets off of school, we won't know if he likes it or not. We'll find out then. Okay, my son's home from school. Now we're gonna see what his reaction is like.
What? What? You have the green train still? Oh! I love my green train! Yeah, you can smell a little fart. Do you set this up yesterday? Or today?
I did that today.
That quick?
It wasn't really quick.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, there's nothing what? What is happening over there? Oh, this thing is cool, Dad. Oh, I gotta fix this switch.
That one should change automatically to where it needs to be.
How do the tracks move?